ADC government has taken up various programs for upcoming Kokborok Day like every year. LOP Animes Deverma will be attending the program of Kokborok Day. This was announced by EM of ADC Education Department, Rabindra Deverma, through a press meet on Tuesday. Every year, ADC government observes and celebrates Kokborok Day grandly, and there is no difference in this year. ADC government has taken up various programs for upcoming Kokborok Day like every year. LOP Animes Deverma will be attending the program of Kokborok Day, and the morning rally will be commenced by CEM of ADC Purna Chandra Jamatia. This was announced by EM of ADC Education Department Rabindra Deverma through a press meet on Tuesday. Apart from him, Kokborok Department PO Brijesh Deverma was also present in the press meet.
46th Kokborok Recognition Day. Chung palanya thangi tongo. Taklai chung Eco Park Khomolong ni bisingo no chini program no chung sengnai. Chung puileo no. Sini 7:30 ni akaba 7:30 ni somoyo rally khlai. Chini oroni gana gini joto school ni students ro teachers ro tai chini ADC hapang ni chini staff rock no tuye kaisa kotor kaisa himboto rally khlai chung noita ni bisingo no chini khumulung ni Eco Park go chung thang sobainai gabono tuino chung sudu student ba teachers ba staff rock simia Kokborok department simia chung nayo joto lukuro chini mo khumulung amcheni joto lukuro nobo khaganang lukuro nobo khakam lukuro nobo aro pandao phaimanjangna bagai chung bishes ke ang ADC ni EM Kokborok hisabe ang bangno koyo chini ha pandano mosonori nai ba inaugurator nai chini borongmanang CM Purna Chandra Jamatia Awan log-loge chung taklai chief guest Nograi okra hisabe chung borongmanang LUP leader of opposition chini Honorable Deverma no chung koikha taklai jesrepan no chini pandao phaimanjangna bagai Oma haiklai guest of honor Nograi motom Ngai manjangna bagai chini borongmanang Komol Koloi Honorable EM Health Tribal Welfare Tai Government Department Apni log-loge chini Boboranjan Rian Honorable Executive Member LRS Agri, Horti and Forest LRS Apni log-loge chini Borongmanang Juk Dolirian Honorable chini Executive Member Social Education Bono Bochung Koikha Manjangna bagai Amahikana chini Rajesh Tripura Honorable EM Fishery and ARDD TTADC Adino Phaimanjangna koikha Amahiklai chini EM Sohel Deverma Honorable Sports EM Sports Yacht and ICA Bono Manjangna koikha Amahikana chini EM Borongmanang Ononto Deverma Bonobo Manjangna bagai koikha Honorable EM PWD Tai Ardini chini Runel Deverma Bonobo chungringkha special guest Alaja Narwa Ingai chini MDC Honorable Ganesh Deverma Honorable CK Jamatia IS Chief Executive Officer Omai Kaino chini DM Jamatia Chief Legal Advisor Bonobo chung Kringkha Gabono Norma tini chung ma sawnong bisingti je Kokborok je language no Kokborok mo oneke buishao দ্বিতীয় রাজ্য ভাষা মানে এক নাম্বার হচ্ছে বাংলা ভাষা কিন্তু না অব কোনো দ্বিতীয় তৃতীয় নেই ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ইজ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ নো মনে বাকি जों তাকলাই একদম খুব নাইথাতক नि बिसिंथि no जों गाहाम खायै जों no salno Kokborok palaimani salno जों गाहाम खायै जों पालायनाय
Likewise, apart from LOP Animes Deverma, EM Suhel Deverma, EM Runel Deverma, EM Dolly Riang, EM Kamal Kaloy, EM Babaranjan Riang, EM Rajesh Tripura, EM Ananta Deverma, MDC Ganesh Deverma, ADC CEO CK Jamatia, Chief Legal Advisor Data Mohan Jamatia and others will also be present. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.